Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of What the Chart Says. We'll be reviewing the oil and gas sector, the stocks in the oil and gas sector on this episode. We selected some few stocks in the oil and gas sector based on some criteria. If you want to know how we selected the stocks, look at the description section below and click on the weekly review for the week ending 14th of August to see how we come about the stocks that we selected that we want to review now. Okay, without wasting much time, let's see our disclaimer. This is our disclaimer. Takes some few minutes to look at the disclaimer, but the summary of it is on the last paragraph that BullBear does not take responsibility for any trading decisions that you make based on watching this video. Okay, let's walk into the charts straight off. Yeah, this is the platform we'll be using to review the charts. That's the Financial Times. Investing.com is giving us some source data. So for the meantime, we'll be using this one until we have good platform. This platform is not user friendly, that's why I've not been using it. Okay, let's go quickly to the first one. We'll look at mobile. Mobile has been doing very well even while the market is going down. Mobile is performing very well, very impressive. Let's see the chart. If anyone is interested, let's see monthly chart first. In terms of the monthly chart, yeah. Last 2 months has been bearish as well, and just picking up now. That's in the month of August. Let me highlight that. Maximum, not look bad. Okay, but okay, it's this is where 150 is where the support is located, but we between 150 for the long term, between 150 and 165 and 165. Let me see the current price. Current price is 174. 174, I would say between 150 and 165 for the long term. But let's see lower time frame weekly. What's weekly saying? Let's see 6 months, actually 9 months. The data is the volatility, the liquidity is very low, so that's why I think so. So that's why I say it's between 150 and 160. 160, but 170 is not looking bad on the weekly. But my recommendation is between 150 and 165. Based on the monthly, I think I restrict myself to the monthly because the liquidity, I mean, it's not a liquid stock from the look of things. Okay, let's go to the next one. Seplat. Yeah, I think let me see Seplat on investing.com. Let me see Seplat on investing.com. Surely. I'll go to the chart. Let me highlight this one. Seplat. See something interesting there. That's the sports data I'm talking about, so making it difficult to know where. But in terms of, let me go to the weekly. Monthly again. Yeah, I saw something interesting. Oh my God, I can't, I can't see it again. Wow. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back to Financial Times. But I can still see the same thing here. Um, in terms of monthly, yes, okay, because this happened. There was a discussion sometimes last week, and from my analysis, I saw that between 300, that the stock has already found a bottom at 300, and it's good to go. It's good to go up. Let's go to the weekly. So in terms of the month, it's not looking bad, and it's been bullish since the beginning of the month. Let's go to the week and see what the weekly is saying. Yes. Oh, this looks terrible. This looks terrible. Sorry. Let's do weekly here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. In terms of the weekly, so if my price tests between 300 and 350, if price tests, oh, and the weekly looks good here. Open. Yeah, the weekly data looks good here. Yeah, that's it. So between 300, between 300 and 350. Actually, there's one right up I wrote regarding. Let me see. Let me quickly share it with the audience here. It's on Naira Land. I discussed something about Seplat. Let me see if I can see it quickly. Yeah, that is it. The data was looking good that time. This is the charts for Seplat monthly review, and you can see the price making higher highs from this low 2016 low, and it's already making higher highs. A pullback to this is where we have only the void, liquidity void. So price is yet to go through this side, and from the look of things, that's found the bottom. If price move down below this level and there's rejection, that's a good buy. But I'll start buying from 300. From what we see now, it might pull back to 350. That's a good buy as well. And 350 to 300 to 350 is a good buy. Even up to 200, 204 or 205 thereabouts. If there's any rejection, I need to see rejection in this level where I highlighted as green before buying. But any price between 300 and 350 is good for Seplat. If it goes below it, we need to see rejection, just like this candle. It started in 2016 and in January 2016. Okay, that is Seplat. This is that's why I like investing.com, but they've been giving some bad data recently. So okay, let's see another one. Ohando, another tech in terms of fundamental, might not be good, might not be looking attractive to some people. Yes, might not be looking attractive to some people. So this is the weekly. Let's see monthly. Monthly, yeah, that's where we are. Sports data. Okay, in terms of the weekly, It's not making our highs. It's not making our highs, but it's strengthening recently. It's strengthening, and we have. This is where I can see some good support level. From 2 naira 22 kobo, let's say 2 naira 20 kobo, 2 naira 20 kobo, from 2 naira 20 kobo to 2 naira 2 naira 30 kobo. As a matter of fact, you can get to 2 naira 35, 36, let's say 240, 240. Between 2 naira, as a matter of fact, 220 to 240 kobo. Let's see. Oh, okay, the monthly is not good. It's not looking good. Let's see the daily. Oh, okay, now it's a little bit down. This where liquidity is, that's 235. Between 220, let me write it down. 220 to 235 for Ohando. Seplat between 300 and 350. And mobile, I didn't write it down. Let me see mobile here again. Mobile, oops. Mobile, the weeklies. No. Okay, I'll review the video. I'll look at the video later as well. Okay, let's go to the next one. We've looked at mobile, we'll look at Seplat, Ohando. Let's see Macy's. Let me see the data here, whether it's good. Let's see Macy's. Macy's. Lagos. Terrible data on the monthly, or terrible on the weekly as well. Okay, let me go back to Financial Times and check Macy's. Macy's oil, that's Chevron, former Chevron. Let's see monthly data. Oh my god, monthly, there's nothing there. Now it's making lower lows and might continue to go lower. Let me see weekly whether there's any strength. No strength as well. So in terms of misses, I'm not sure I want to recommend this for anyone. No. Let me remove it from my list. Okay. Yeah, and let's see total, whether it's making, we can see some strength, any strength there. Lagos, total Nigeria, any strength here. Types of weekly, no strength. I'm not sure whether 80 will be. 80 will be the bottom, but that will be a big risk. Let me see the on investing.com. Nah, bad data. Bad data. Okay, but I don't know whether the bottom is at 80 for now, but I'm not recommending total as well. Okay, so we have mobile, Seplat, and Ohando that we review. That is all for oil and gas to review. Those are the stock we selected on the previous video. All right, if you have any comments or you want to review how we selected these stocks, look at the description below and click on the weekly review. Thank you very much. If you have any comment, drop it below and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye.